Welcome, everyone. Let's start today by sitting on a comfortable position with your legs crossed. Your arms are relaxed, palms gently resting on the knees or the thighs. Your shoulders and neck are relaxed. And keep your eyes closed. Taking a deep inhale in and a deep exhale out through the mouth. Taking a deep inhale in through the nose and a deep exhale out. Bring all of your awareness into this room, into your body, observing how you're feeling. Just take this moment today to really become aware of everything that is happening inside you. Is there any particular emotion you're feeling? Is there any physical or emotional tension or stress? Just become aware. And slowly bring your awareness to your breath, feeling the cool air entering your nostrils with every inhale in and with every exhale out. Feel the warm breath touching your upper lips. With the slow inhale in, feel your lungs expanding outward. And with the exhale out, just feel your upper body collapsing down. With each inhale, now feel the gentle rise on your abdomen. And with the exhale, feel your abdomen going inward. Whenever your mind is starting to have many different thoughts, always come back to this gentle and calm breath. Your breath is becoming slower and deeper the more you become relaxed. Always remember to connect to this breath whenever you start to be overwhelmed or stressed. And remember that you can always connect to this peace and calm that is within yourself. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body, back to this room, always keeping your breath and your calm at the center of this practice. And you can gently open your eyes. Let's start this practice today at the back of the mat, seated on your heels in Vajrasana. And with the inhale, interlock your fingers, bring your arms at the front and bring them up above your head. Stretch your upper body completely, pulling your arms up toward the sky, feeling the opening to your chest, back straight. You can open and look up. Taking a deep inhale in and exhale, release your hands on the side. Now we will interlock the fingers at the back and lift your arms away from your back. So here again, you will open your chest toward the sky, really bringing in all the fresh air into your lungs and straightening your back, releasing tension from your shoulders, and exhale, release your arms. Now go to all fourth position with your back straight, and let's do a few warm-ups. So by inhaling, you will arch your back, look up, and exhale, round your back, look down. Inhaling, arch your back, looking up toward the sky, and exhale, round your back, looking down. Inhale, look up, giving a gentle massage to your whole spine. Exhale, look down, round your back. Start to feel this heat being generated at the back. Now, without changing the lower body, bring both of your arms to the front and bring your forehead to the ground, giving a nice massage, a nice straight stretch to your whole back. At the same time, feeling the opening in your chest, in your arms being lengthened. Taking a deep breath in here, a deep breath out, relaxing completely. Now you can bend your elbows, bringing the palms together, and bring the palms at the back of the head to giving a deeper stretch in the forearms, the armpit area, the side of your lungs, the side of your chest. Breathing into this area and releasing any tension. Release your hands and come back to all fourth. Now thread the right arm below your left armpit and look into the left side, just giving a nice stretch onto the side of the body here. You can close your eyes and slowly release your hands. Let's thread the other arm. So now the left arm under your right armpit and look gently over the right side, creating space into this right upper body. The right arm is stretched to the front. And release your hands, bringing both of your arms at the front. And now bring your hips down, and you will bring your palms next to your chest and slowly lift yourself up in Bhujangasana. So you can either keep your palms on the floor or you can lift them away from the floor. Now slowly relax, release the posture. Bringing the hands in the front, rest your forehead. And again, bringing the palms next to your chest And this time, extend your arms completely to look up. So this is giving a nice arch at the back, a nice strengthening and opening of the upper body and the arms, looking up, taking a deep inhale here, and exhale, slowly release, bend the elbows, bring the hands to the front and rest your forehead. Take one moment to breathe here before we go to the next posture. So in this next posture, you will keep both of your feet together. Interlock your fingers at the back, and this time lift your chest up again. But your back muscles are really engaged here. Your abs muscles are also engaged to lift your upper body up as high as you can. And exhale, slowly release. Release your hands, rest your forehead, catch your breath. Feel the warmth generated at the back muscles. And now bring the left arm by the side of your body, your right arm up to the front, and lift your right arm and your left leg at the same time, up. So you will really feel the back muscles engaged. And exhale, release. We will switch sides. So the left arm will come to the front and lift it up. The right leg is also lifted up. It's engaging the glutes strong, and exhale, release. Catch your breath for a moment here. And now let's lift both of your arms and both of your legs up. Feeling the glutes engaged, the back muscles engaged and being toned. And exhale, release, catch your breath. Now let's do one last back bend asanas. So this time you will grab both of your feet with your hands and you will lift your legs up, lift yourself up as high as you can, lifting the thighs off from the ground. And exhale, release. Amazing job. Slowly come back to all fourth position. Tuck your toes. Hands below your shoulders, and lift yourself up in Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog, stretching your legs, stretching your upper back, your arms, and bend both of your knees, walk to the front of the mat, exhale, complete forward bend, releasing and relax. Inhale, open your arms up toward the sky, looking up. And exhale, bring your hands to the heart center. Now come seated at the center of the mat with your legs crossed. And just take a moment here, bringing both of your arms up, Parvatasana. So keeping both of your arms straight. And feel that they're being pulled up towards the sky. Exhale, release both of your hands, relax your shoulders, relax your neck, your back straight. And now this time, you will just lift your left arm up and bend to the right side. Giving a nice side stretch here. Come back to center. And let's do on the other side, so right arm up and stretching to the other side. Taking a breath here and release your hand and release your palms to your thighs. Close your eyes. Let's finish this practice by coming back to the breath as we did at the beginning of the practice. But this time really feel the warmth, the heat, the energy moving in your body. You may feel this aliveness, this life force, the prana energy circulating throughout your body. So let's just take a few breaths here during this last minute to come back to your breath, to come back to the calm, while at the same time feeling this energy moving throughout your body, bringing fresh air, fresh oxygen and nutrients to every cells. Bring both of the hands at the heart center, bow down, thanking yourself for this practice, thanking your body for your health, and bringing gratitude to all teachers who transmitted this art and science of yoga. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me today in this practice. I hope that you enjoy and see you very soon.